Top 6 Best Travel Mugs for 2022. Reusable and eco-friendly. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best travel mugs in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the Sip by S'well stainless steel travel mug. These S'well Traveler 16-ounce stainless steel travel coffee mugs feature triple-layered vacuum-insulated construction that can keep your beverages cold for up to 26 hours and hot for up to 11 with their exclusive Therma-S'well technology. It comes in unique colors, prints, patterns, and textures while delivering superior functionality. And when it comes to its design, it has got an opening wide that will be enough for most ice cubes that you can easily refill and reuse it over and over again. Coming insulated with a copper wall layer, you can make your mug sweat-free, while its leak-free top will offer added spill protection. Next is Contigo Autoseal. This Contigo Autoseal is a West Loop vacuum-insulated stainless steel travel mug with easy clean lid. It combines intelligent design and innovative technologies to adapt to any commute, agenda, or lifestyle. And featuring a thermalock vacuum insulation, it can keep temperatures locked in for hours, so your drinks can stay hot for up to 5 hours and cold up to 12 hours. It is available in 16 ounces, 20 ounces, or 24 ounces. And finally, for cleaning, its easy clean lid can open completely for thorough cleaning and can also be locked for added peace of mind. Next up, we have the Simple Modern Travel Coffee Mug. This Simple Modern is a double-walled vacuum-sealed insulation tumbler with a unique shape that's sleek and comfortable to carry. It has got a copper-coated layer inside the double-walled insulation that can prevent sweating, so you don't need to worry about the Voyager getting slippery or leaving watery rings on your table. In addition to this, the travel mug can also keep your drink at its ideal temperature for hours. And it also has a twist-on, leak-proof, clear flip lid that's perfect for drinks of any temperature, as well as 2 reusable straws. It is available in 4 sizes and a wide variety of colors and patterns. And finally, for cleaning, this travel mug is recommended to hand wash only. Next is YETI Rambler. This behemoth travel mug can hold enough caffeine for even the biggest coffee drinkers. With an elevated handle and cup holder compatible design, it can make your mornings on the road much easier. Its leak-resistant stronghold lid can be easily rotated to fasten for both right and left-handed users as well. And it features an 18/8 stainless steel that can resist dents and drops, while its double-wall vacuum insulation can keep your drinks cold to the last fall. It is available in 7 shades, and finally, for cleaning these travel mugs, both this travel mug and its lid are dishwasher safe, so all you have to do is kick up your feet after a well-traveled day. Next is DLOCCOLD. This DLOCCOLD is a lightweight and compact option that can easily fit into most car cup holders. It features a 100% stainless steel double wall with an anti-sweat, sleek, and lightweight design. It can keep any of your hot drinks, like coffee, to stay hot for up to 6 hours, and cooler drinks like lemonade and soda, cold for up to 24 hours. Its leak-proof lid is designed with unique double sealing technology for preventing splashing and spilling while traveling, while the center hole of the lid is designed explicitly for straws, as a steel straw is included with the mug to sip on your beverages casually. So in all, we can say that with a specially designed appearance and mysterious and elegant purple shade, this tumbler can be an essential one of your best OOTD items. Lastly, we have the IDEUS. Coming in suitable sizes, this IDEUS coffee travel mug is an excellent choice for leisure and use at the home, office, road trips, camping, traveling, hiking, and more. Featuring a double-walled vacuum-insulated stainless steel body, it can keep the temperature and can also prevent heat from transferring to the cup's outer wall, which may burn your hand. Housing a tight-fit sealed lid, it can help you maintain your drinks at the right temperature for hours, more than typical ceramic ones. Under average temperature, It can keep your drinks hot for 6 hours and cold for 12 hours. And moving on to its quality. Coming made from premium 18/8 food-grade stainless steel cup, this wine tumbler is BPA-free, lead-free, and rust-proof as well, while its wide mouth opening will allow for quick cleaning and filling. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.